皆さん、日本語コースへようこそ. Hello and welcome to this Japanese for Beginners course. This is your teacher Herzi and we are already in our 20th lesson. I'm so proud of you because you're halfway through this course. Now let's get started. Today we will learn about weather and natural disasters and we will learn how to talk about it in Japanese. Are you ready? Let's go. So weather in Japanese is tenki, tenki, tenki. Weather forecast would be tenki yoho, tenki yoho, tenki yoho. Good weather is tenki ga ii, tenki ga ii. So you can be walking with your friend and you're like, oh, tenki ga ii ne, tenki ga ii ne. It's like, oh, it's such a good weather. Bad weather would be tenki ga warui, tenki ga warui. Sunny or clear, fine weather is hare, hare. And the verb is hareru, hareru. Especially when we're talking about the weather clearing up after rain, after bad weather, or just the weather being sunny in general, but when we're using it as a verb. Cloudy, komori, komori, komori. Cloud, kumo, kumo, kumo. Rain, ame, ame, ame. To rain, as in we're talking about the verb, ame ga furu, ame ga furu, furu, to fall down like from the sky, ame ga furu, to rain. Yuki, 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 snow. Yuki ga furu, to snow, as a verb. Yuki ga furu. Yuki ga furu. Thunder, lightning. Kaminari, kaminari, kaminari. Wind, kaze, kaze, kaze. The wind is strong would be kaze ga tsuyoi, kaze ga tsuyoi. Tsuyoi means strong, adjective. Storm, arashi, arashi, arashi. Fog, kiri, kiri, kiri. Typhoon, taifu, taifu, taifu. Tidal wave, tsunami, tsunami, tsunami. Earthquake, jishin, jishin, jishin. Season, kisetsu, kisetsu, kisetsu. 4 seasons, shiki, shiki, shiki. Spring, haru, haru, haru. Summer, natsu, natsu, natsu. Autumn or fall, aki, aki, aki. Winter, fuyu, fuyu, fuyu. Rainbow, niji, niji, niji. Now, how could we ask, how's the weather today? 今日の天気はどうですか? 今日の天気はどうですか? 今日 today, 今日の today's, 天気は weather, どう how is it? So how's the weather today? 今日の天気はどうですか? So this is one way of asking. Another way you can just say 天気はどうですか? 天気はどうですか? How's the weather? Now let's practice. I will ask you, what's the weather? And you will need to reply to me. I will give you 5 seconds to think about the answer, okay? So the first one will be, it's cloudy, okay? So, 天気はどうですか? 天気はどうですか? 曇りです。曇りです。It's cloudy. 天気はどうですか? 天気はどうですか? How would you say it's rainy in Japanese? 雨です。雨です。天気はどうですか? 天気はどうですか? It's sunny. 晴れです。晴れです。天気はどうですか? 天気はどうですか? It's snowy. 雪です。雪です。天気はどうですか? 天気はどうですか? How could we say it's snowing? 雪が降る。雪が降る。天気はどうですか? 天気はどうですか? 雨が降る。雨が降る。天気はどうですか? 天気はどうですか? The wind is strong. 風が強い。風が強い。And now it's time to learn some new grammar or 文法。文法。So today we will learn grammar called そうです。そうです。I heard that or it is said that. So we use it when we are reporting what we have heard. So for example, we heard on the news during a weather forecast that it will rain tomorrow. And then we would use it. So we use it like this, verb, casual form. So it means short form. Like 食べる、飲む、見る, not must form, not this must, okay? Plus そうです. Let's take a look at some examples. Okay, so we have noun. If we use a noun, then we need to add da in between そうです and noun. If we use na adjective, we also need da in between そうです and adjective. But if we use e adjective, then we use just e adjective and そうです. 雨が降るそうです。雨が降るそうです. I heard that it will rain. So probably I watched a weather forecast and heard that it will rain. So I need to use the short form 降る。降る。雨が降る to rain. そうです。I heard. So I heard that it will rain. 雨が降るそうです。台風が来るそうです。台風が来るそうです。I heard that a typhoon is coming. 明日は大雨だそうです。明日は大雨だそうです。Tomorrow, 大雨, big rain, heavy rain. Because this is a noun, we need to add da, da. So 大雨だそうです。I heard that tomorrow it will rain heavily. 明日のテストは難しそうです。明日のテストは難しそうです。明日のテストは難しそうです。明日のテストは難しそうです。I heard that tomorrow's test will be difficult. So maybe my professor, my teacher told me that there will be a difficult test. And then I can say 難しそうです。Let's practice. Let's translate this sentence. I heard that it will snow heavily tomorrow. Well, by that I mean it will be heavy snow. Okay? I give you 5 seconds to translate this sentence into Japanese. 明日大雪だそうです。 明日大雪だそうです。So 大雪 is big snow, a lot of snow. 大雪だそうです。Also, you can say 明日雪が降るそうです。That would also be okay. Now, I heard that it will rain heavily tomorrow, or it will be heavy rain. 明日大雨だそうです。明日大雨だそうです。大雨 means big rain, heavy rain. And because it's a noun, we need to add だ。大雨だそうです。I heard that it will be hot tomorrow. 明日は暑いそうです。明日は暑いそうです。I heard that it will be cold this summer. 今年の夏は寒いそうです。今年の夏は寒いそうです。お疲れ様です。You have worked so hard and you have finished your 20th lesson. おめでとうございます。Congratulations, and I will see you in our other half of lessons. またね。